Welcome to Spill the Beans. This channel is about bringing you, the consumer, into the world of Malaysian F&B. In this episode, we head to the Wicked Pancake Parlour to learn a big kitchen secret from Chef Ryan.
Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a chef and I'm a co-owner of the Yellow Brick Road and Business at Tribeca. Today I'm going to show you how to make wickedly good pancakes. Let's go!
First, we need our ingredients. You can also find it in the description below this video. Okay, let's whisk one really fresh egg in a bowl. This is the secret. If it's not fresh, it won't fluff. And if it won't fluff, you will get crappy pancakes. Okay, now add the melted butter and mix it completely. Use a big whisk. If you use a small whisk, it will take 5 times more effort. Next, put in the sugar and whisk some more. Don't be shy. Dissolve the sugar until it becomes one with the universe. Okay, now pour in the milk. How to tell it is fresh? Look at the expiry date on the carton and smell it. Nice. Now keep whisking. We want to blend the egg mixture and the milk, but we also want to get some air in there. So whisk and whisk until you start to see some fine bubbles forming. Now we can add in the flour. Just chuck it in like a pro, like this. You see, the objective here is to blend it smooth. No lumps, because if you have lumps, you will get lumpy pancakes and it will be a game over. What we want is a totally smooth batter. Take note, you should use this batter straight away. Don't mix it up and put it in the fridge for a day. Make it fresh, cook it fresh. Okay, here it is, smooth as silk. That's it, our batter is ready to go. What you want to do is use a ladle. This will give you a consistent volume, which equals consistent size. As you can see, I'm using a griddle here, but it will be the same for a non-stick pan if you use it at home. With the pan on medium heat, you will start to see these bubbles after a little while. This is the time to flip the pancakes. Don't do it before you see the bubbles, or the center will be uncooked. If you look closely, you will see the pancakes will start to rise just a bit. This is the bubble actions and it gives it the fluff. And it all comes from the fresh egg. No baking powder, no sodium bicarb. And when they are done, take them off. Voila, time to plate up. Here we've got some honey, or you can use maple syrup. I like to dust it with some icing sugar to give it a bit of magic. And what's a pancake without butter? So here it is, fluffy pancakes that you can make at home.
In the next episode of Spill the Beans, we show you how to make excellent poached eggs. If you like what you see, click subscribe. See you next time.